Jai Srimannarayana. 31st sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvabhuta Sthitam yo mam bhajati ekatvam आस्थितः सर्वदा वर्तमानोऽपि स योगी मयि वर्तते। Om. Start disregarding deliberately the differences arising from the appearances of material conditions and designations. Expand your consciousness to realize the reality of Sri Krishna's omnipresence everywhere in everything. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall start disregarding deliberately the differences arising from the appearance of material conditions and designations. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall expand my consciousness to realize the reality of your omnipresence everywhere in everything. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 3rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra." In that process, Parikshin Narendra saying like this, "O Yogindra, only by taking refuge of Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine feet, my grandfather Arjuna and all other soldiers got saved from such a huge Kurukshetra battlefield." and that Krishna Paramatma protected me also. When my mother went and again asked for protection, Sri Krishna Paramatma, while having his Sri Sudarshana Chakram, he protected me when I was in my mother's womb. Drauni astra viplushta midam madangam santana bijam kuru pandavanam jugopa kukshim gata atta chakro matuscha me yaha saranam gatayaha. When Aswathama shooted Brahmastram, when I was almost died in my mother's womb, at that time, Sri Krishna Paramatma with his divine weapon Sri Sudarshana Chakram protected me. O Yogindra, now I would like to learn more and more about Maya Manushyasya Vadasva Vidvan Prayachato Mrityumutamrutancha. The one Paramatma who is able to release all living beings from the cycle of birth and death and give them moksham. I would like to learn more and more about such Paramatma who came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, Parikshit Narendra asking Sri Sukha Yogindra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 31st sloka. Sarva bhuta sthitam yo mam bhajatyekatvamasthitaha sarvadha vartamanopi sayogi mayi vartate. Sarvabhuta sthitam yo mam bhajatyekatvamasthitaha sarvadha vartamanopi sayogi mayi vartate. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.